evening, and welcome back to CryptTV. As always, I'm your host, Count Shockula. Thank you. I missed you. I missed you all. Now, as you can see, we are coming to you from the new CryptTV set. Now, it is 2011, and this year we'll hold bigger and better things for CryptTV. As for me, looking good, feeling good. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, now that the holidays are over, and all the family craziness has settled down, it's time to look at one of the craziest families in all of history. I'm speaking, of course, of the Sawyer family from the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Now tonight, we will be reviewing the lesser known of the brood from 1994, Texas Chainsaw Massacre, The Next Generation. Written and directed by Kim Hinkle from the original Texas Chainsaw Massacre, and starring, before they were stars, Matthew McConaughey and Renee Zellweger, that girl from Bridget Jones' Diary. Yes, that's the one right there. Okay. The Sawyer family consists of the obvious over-the-top characters, such as Velmer, the head of the family, who has a remote control leg, W.E., who is a literature-quoting waterhead, and of course Leatherface, who in this film is a cross between Buffalo Bill and Divine. Not exactly the chainsaw-wielding icon of horror, huh? As far as the story goes, it starts off as your traditional run-of-the-mill horror film, but then takes a twist, and then a turn, and then a nosedive. Really? Like, what's going on in this thing? It seems like a semi-remake and a semi-sequel, but comes out like a semi-truck ran over it. Now, by the time we get to the dinner scene, which, by the way, is a central part of the plot, right? What's on the menu? Victim number 1? Victim number 2? Barbecue? Head cheese? No. Pizza. Takeout pizza. So by the time we get to the dinner, a guest pops up. Some weird dude with pierced boobies and ancient markings all over him. What the hell am I watching here? Texas Chainsaw Massacre or Twin Peaks? Very little atmosphere. The acting is way overblown. The story is a complete mess, and it fails horribly at recapturing what the original movie had accomplished in 1973. I give this film 1 bad out of 5. I don't want to spoil the ending, but there is a connection to the original. A cameo by Marilyn Burns, Sally, from the original film in 1973. Oops. I spoiled it, didn't I? Tune in again next time. We will be reviewing from 1981, the original, My Bloody Valentine. But until then, this is the Count reminding you, may your days be full of dreams, and your nights filled with screams. Alright, alright, alright.